So I am working the weekend. Out of town, of course, because where else do you work the weekend at? So we're going to do a little project since I'm doing laundry and it's laundry night. I'm in the Chevy Cheap. That's not Jeep, that's cheap. Car has expensive parts, remember? I didn't put them in there, someone else did. However, we still have the same problem. You put the key in the ignition, put your foot on the clutch, foot on the brake, nothing. Doesn't do nothing. So we've been doing it a slightly different way than that. I'll take you outside, we'll take a look at it. I don't know how much battery is going to hold up, but we'll see how well we do. So yeah, without further ado, by the way, welcome back to Hopes and Dreams Racing, where we dream about racing. Sometimes hope, mostly dream. So yeah, most people would think, oh, it's the relay or something of that nature, or it's the ECM, or it's something else. Well, they even did a body control module on it. That didn't work for nothing. So what I've been doing, and I won't show you, I'll show you the relay. That one. I've been taking it out and jumping across there, and it starts. But what I would like to do is put a push button in the cab so I ain't got to worry about it no more. Lucky for you guys, I forgot a key ingredient at the hotel, a pocket knife. That was the other thing I was going to do. Let's just make up this wire right now. I'm just going to make up a wire so I can jump a little bit easier instead of having, you know, to try to do two. I didn't bring a stand, okay? I didn't bring a camera stand. My bad. Let's see how well. I think if I just hold you here. I don't know how well you can see. Maybe touch you back a little bit. There we go. Make sure your vehicle's in neutral now if you're driving a manual. This is good news for us because, well, I got batteries at the hotel. I told you I was at a laundromat. See, they're open from 7 to 8. Laundromat. Alright, I'll see you soon. Going to the hotel. I just thought I'd record this part. Staying in a wonderful hotel. Has, well, I've drank water that's hotter that comes out of that shower. Let's just say that. However, whatever. Oh, that's third gear. Let's go first gear, shall we? You don't want to kill it because then you gotta get out of the dang car to start it. You can see all the lights on. You know, don't have to worry about them. They're just lights. And if they really irritate you, just put tape over them. Don't have to worry about it. Engine light on, still in there. I checked. You checked. It was under the hood. So it's not missing, so we're good. Tire pressure light. I don't see sparks coming out from the mirror. Who needs that? ABS light. Didn't like ABS brakes anyways. Traction control. That stuff just gets in the way of the fun. So see, those lights don't really mean anything. Yeah, this is the town of Gold Beach, Oregon. I'm sure there's an ocean over there somewhere. Too bad I wasn't filming earlier. There was a guy pooping in the street right there. I thought that was weird. I don't know. whatever, to each their own. It was by the sheriff's station or police station or something, so that's fine. Let's see if I can't turn where you can actually see the beach. This is where a lot of people vacation. I'm not sure why. It's beautiful when it's sunny out and it's not windy. And it's not raining. It rains a lot here. In the wintertime, anyways. Let's see. Yeah, see? There's the ocean. Huh. Of course, that guy parked right where I was. That little son of a whatever. Yes, I'm using the covered parking. I was hoping to be out of the sun a little bit, but that doesn't look like. Well, we got the hood to cover us, so it don't matter. We'll see. Anyways, back to this. So, yeah, might needed the knife to get into a package. My teeth weren't strong enough. I want to use a test light because I want to see which end of that is hot, because I do plan on putting a push button in here, but if it don't work, then, well, I guess I won't be putting a push button in here. Should have brought my glasses. What I'm going to do is see which one is hot. So this is the one with the continuity. Okay, we're going to use that then. And if you read on the relay, it tells you what it does. As far as your post numbers, you look at your post numbers and look down here and it tells you the numbers on the post. And if you're curious about that, you probably want to look at another channel. Because, like I said, this is probably a what not to do channel. I got a new test light out of the deal though. Making a jump wire. I have to run back down to the parts store. I got an important piece. Connections for the back of the boot nanny. You know, for the let's see if I made it long enough. Oh, there we go. Scared me. Good. Nice and long. Perfect. So we got our new jump wire. Now we got to figure out how long we want this wire. Try to feed this wire through a hole back here somewhere. See if you can't help me find one. Preferably not where I burn myself. Oh good, the exhaust is in the front. We're good. See if you can't find something through the floorboard. And yes, I'm in my sweats. Oh, there's still no light on this thing, by the way. No matter how much I use it for doing. Sorry, guys. I plan on putting the push button right where the Cruze is, because right now the Cruze don't work because the ignition and the ECM and the body control module, they're not talking to one another. Okay, there's something going on there. I think a rodent may have eaten part of the wiring harness somewhere. I just don't know for sure. I seriously got to drill a hole through the firewall? I will if I have to. Just not today because I ain't got a drill bit. Or drill. Let's see if I can't get a flashlight down there or something. Yeah, sorry, stop the camera for a little minute. I had to go change up my laundry. Matter of fact, I should probably go put a timer in right now. I got some good news and some good news. I didn't turn any of my colors or clothes a different color, and I found a quarter bonus. Okay. No, we're not using that one. The other way is to go through the fender and maybe cut the wire, you know, like shut the hood right through there. Come down through the door. Let's see. Come through there. Then I gotta find a spot through here somewhere. It shouldn't be that hard. Maybe it's harder than I thought. Shouldn't be. The thing broken? It's definitely broken. That's fine. We'll leave it. So you guys can see too. Okay. That's broken. Oh, this seals. Well, it might not be doing sealing things, but you know, it does whatever it's supposed to. Jeez, they use some like, that is a true gorilla there. I'm sure we can figure out something, right guys? And that's the fuse panel. I'm sure we can take this screw out and kind of pop that out, slide it through there. That should be fine. Airbag? Oh, the light's on, so it must not work. No, airbag light is on. Sorry about that. I can come up through here. Can I see a finger? Nope, can't see a finger through there. But I can fish a wire through that way. I think that would work fine. Come up through here. Yeah. Have to find the right screwdriver for that. I'm pretty sure that's not a... Yeah, is that a star head? What I'm doing is I'm putting my finger up against the screw that I can't see and squeezing it real hard. And I come back and I got an impression. I don't know what kind of screw that is. It looks like a bolt to me. We'll see. We'll see what we can do. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to fish it through the fender. Best I can. I might not make it right now, but I'll definitely fish it through. Let's see how far I get. I thought I'd show you guys a little trick. It may or may not work. This worked for me in the past. So I was able to fish the one wire through. See there? It's coming out there. Yeah. The problem I'm having now is I can't seem to get the second one through, meaning I gave up in like 2 seconds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this wire, and I got enough wire fed through here already. I'm going to take this wire to this one, and yes, I'm using the same color, okay? Don't judge. Okay, judge away. I don't, but it's fine. Yeah, use as much tape as you think you're going to need on that. And all I'm doing is I'm just going to pull that wire through, and it'll feed this one through. Do this here, so I can kind of guide it and pull through. Don't pull too hard, because if you're pulling real hard, you're gonna burn. You're pulling something off you sure don't want to pull off. You can see, there it is, right there. Now I can untape it. And there it should be. This one here, I did, you know, this was already broken, so I wasn't too worried about that. Let's make sure I pulled enough so I have room for, you know, doing stuff. I just tucked it underneath there. Like I said, it was already broken, so didn't lose anything by doing that. And you can make it cleaner than that if you like, you know, dealer's choice on that. I just had to pull this up so it maneuvered better. And then this part, yeah, I broke that. See, it's got a lot of moving parts here. Yeah. I broke that. That's fine. The parts are replaceable, I think. If not, we'll say they were. One thing I will say is be sure to mark, if you're using the same color wires, mark it so you don't accidentally connect something to the wrong deal. Alright, get this pulled through. What I did is I marked this one. I know it's, you know, I marked it with black tape because that's what I have as a marking device. And then I have the other side marked as well, which I'm going to use as my, this is going to go connect to my constant power. This is not. And there's no tape on it. So, now, we just need to figure out a way to feed this through here, which I think, evidently, I don't know how to get this off here to... It don't want to come off. We'll have to figure something out. It's got to come off somewhere, right? Somehow, one way or another. One way or another. We'll pinch a wire. I'm sure that's what's going to happen because I'm going to do this. No, I'm not. I'm not going to do that. There. I'll see about getting this off. I'm going to take these screws out and pop this panel down. And yeah, we'll get it out of our way so we can mess with this seal that's not sealing down here. So we know it pops straight up, it just don't want to. Oh, I think I got it. I think, nope, maybe, I don't know. I'm probably gonna lose a fingernail. I mean, that thing is on there, man. See a screw. It feels like I can just pop this out. I'll probably break something else. Oop, breaking stuff. I don't know what kind of seal's in there, or what kind of clamp. Whatever. So yeah, we'll get that taken apart and put it in there. So, temporarily purposes, because my laundry's about done, I've curled the wire up and I tucked it up behind underneath here, so it wasn't in my feet, but I did get it tucked away behind some plastic trim, and I'm sure that's fine. So, yeah, it's a different day. And we're going to continue working on Chevy Cheap. See if we can't get it to be a push button start. So, let's continue, shall we? Yes, I'm in my hotel room. See my fancy hotel room? Isn't it nice? Yeah. So let's see what we can accomplish here. Yeah. So, like I said, I haven't done anything different. I tucked the wires back up in there. Still got to take some stuff off to try to get the wires to feed up through here. Hopefully I don't lock myself out. That would suck. This is a Wednesday night before I go home. See, I still got the wires tucked away in there. Haven't done anything with that. Probably won't do anything with this either. Not right now anyways. Probably only got about an hour of sunlight if we're lucky. But let's, oh yeah, I need to get in the trunk. It'd be nice if this was somewhat of a flat area. Oh, that works. Kinda. No, not really. Oh, nope, it doesn't work. I don't care too much about the surface of this vehicle, but I don't want to set this heavy box on there and scratch it all up either. I didn't grab a screwdriver. Alright, do you guys remember what socket I was using? It could have been a 7mm. Let's start with that one. We'll see about it. I can't figure out how to set this thing up because like I said, I didn't bring any stands with me or anything because, you know, I think, what's the word, I think I had it well. No, I don't. I don't at all. Some days I do, some days I don't. I'm sure everybody has them, right? It's not just me. Okay, fine, it's probably just me. I'm not even sure if I'm be honest. I don't think I need to take this kick panel off. Maybe I just need to take the steering wheel cover off if I can remember. I'll probably end up using something to get it off. I don't got a screwdriver, so fail there. I'm not sure what's in there. In that hole. Sorry, hope that didn't hurt anybody. Headache! Should I make that 3D? Can I just pull really hard and break stuff? Is that the way to do it? Kinda wish I had a butter knife though, or something. I believe my mother always had a butter knife. Ow, it's biting me. Get the backside. Top of the column off now. Reach my finger back there and take off that little hootenanny nut. We don't need our blinkers, do we? Yeah, we need our blinkers. I'm a blinker guy. At least now I can reach the backside of this thing. Hinder you or help you? I can't. I'm going to clip from down here, maybe. Let's see where it's at. I'm sure I'll break this too. I'm pretty good at breaking stuff. I don't know if you've seen this channel or not. No matter how easy they put it in here, I'd break it. Look, I didn't break something. And even if I did, I'd just blame the previous owner. I'm looking for that, alright? And I'm looking for that. I can disconnect that now. I'm sure. Let's try that. Boop. Boop. So I'm going to leave that there in case I decide to actually fix this car correctly. Then I can actually use the cruise control. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to cut it somewhere up here, and then we can always rewire it later. Not that big of a deal. Not to me anyways, might be to you. Yeah. There. Oh look, I was sweating nothing. See how easy that was? Bam! Now I gotta unroll some wires. Back. Oh, there they are. Oh, I used tape. I was smart. And I put tags on it. See, my older self is thanking me. Or I'm thanking my older self right now. Left myself plenty of wire. Taped it up, made it look kind of presentable. Learned that from an electrician. I don't know why I remembered it, but somehow I did. And I remember that being, it's going to go to the hot side because, you know, black means hot. Okay, it really don't, but bear with me, okay? Smart man would have pulled this wire with this taped to that so you can find it. Now I got to chase it up there. That's fine. Maybe I can push this down. This seems to be a little stiffer. I don't know if there's enough wire, but I'll try it. All right, good call. I can't hear a damn thing, honey. You got Troy built parts, so we wouldn't be missing, so nothing would be too short. That's what I got. Hello? Talking on the phone with the wife. On the phone. I didn't leave myself a tag that time. So I got a goodie bag. I had to answer the wife right quick, you know, because she's the important one. And I'm totally fine by that. She really is the important one, people. And your spouse always should be. Unless you have kids, and then, you know, that's, I don't know, those are my rules. So you can have your own rules however you like. No judgment. Maybe. Just maybe a little bit. Let's see. Push button, switch. Perfect. That's all I need to know. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Alright, so I'm gonna get some hootenannies and, you know, hootenanny this thing. Evidently it don't matter which way it goes. That's good. I don't mind burning the car down. As long as it's only one time. And I don't want to be in the damn thing either. That's key. Alright, so we got this. Got this. Great. More stuff I got. Maybe I should just carry those with me in the car. So let's strip these guys out. Guys, if I remember right, they're 16 gauge. There. Now I can have little yellow things all over the car. I tell you, these strippers are, I mean, they're not my favorite strippers, but as far as being, you know, plier style, pretty dang good. I mean, these I will keep in the car. Let's see. Boom, 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 boom. Hello. I should pull these through because I don't think. Yeah, there's something gonna fit through that hole. So I'll pull one through at a time. Maybe. You mean I could have did that the whole time? The whole time? Whatever. A beautified thing, whatever, ring. I'll push that through. Well, I hate to tell you, this ain't big enough. So I'm just gonna have a push button wire dangling until I can get me a drill bit. That's fine. I don't mind. Do you guys mind? I should a little bit, but I don't. So what I'll do is put this back together. Guess I didn't need to do all that. Now I'll have a hard time getting all that back on. And then we'll see if I can't have to go out there and see what I got going on. Got a different set of goodies for that. I know my name ain't Jerry, but it's been rigged. Well, not yet. We're working on it. We can do it up here. You can see my belly. Check out this guy. Just want to see how well I fit inside the relay housing. They don't fit very well. I'd say the smaller ones fit better. So we'll go. I don't think, yeah. No, I don't fit very well. Alright, well, good news is, take that back and get my $6. Bad news is, these are too small. But I'll make them work. I can promise you that. See, they're a little on the tiny side. And they fit in there, but they could be tighter. And if I had cutters, I'd just cut those bigger ones down the size, but I do not for that type of cutting anyways. So here's a piece more. Who says you need a good seal? It kind of looks like it has a sharp edge there, doesn't it? But I think it's going to give it more room. Yeah, it was not as good as it was before, I guess. Not really, but we could say it was. Can always make it better. Let's see what happens when I turn the key on, shall we? Alright, so we got this. Keys that goes in the ignition. Still ain't got nothing. Voila. I can start it from in the car. However, it's gonna drive me nuts that I got something dangling right here. So I'm gonna have to fix that, because I don't like wires by my feet. I mean, you guys can do what you like, but when you got 3 pedals down there, 2 pedals, 1 pedal, no matter. You got 2 feet down there that are size 13. There's, you know, getting tangled up. So I'll do something with that and kind of clean it up a little bit, I guess. I can shut it off. I'm just glad it works. The car didn't catch on fire. Let's see. I don't know. Put that up in there or something now. I'm sure nothing. Yeah, it's gonna. Stuff's just gonna happen. So I can put the bolt back in. The one bolt I was able to get out. I'm sure that's fine. I should probably look at the other side of the steering column to see if it looks like it's even close to being together. That's what a normal human being would do. suppose I can do the same. I can play normal. There. Actually went to bed together better than I thought it would. And faster. Because last time it did not. And also, I ain't got to worry about keep trying to see if the cruise control is going to work, because it's not. It's not going to work. I know that for a fact. I is, however, going to put this nut on the back side of this guy so I don't lose it. Because eventually, you know, I'll put it back on. No, I won't. If I'm being honest, no, I won't. Got too many other projects. I've only did this one because I'm working the weekend, as you all know, because I complain about it all the time. But we all got to do what we got to do, right? And no, I didn't take all the wire out that I needed. I can redo that at a later time when I know that this is all gonna, am I kidding? It's gonna go all over the place, no matter where I put it. Oh yeah, I was gonna use tape to roll that up and put it somewhere, wouldn't I? I will figure that out in a second. And then put this guy back on. Ecotech. Yeah, it's eco, all right. 32 miles a gallon when I'm driving it, so I ought to say something. Not saying I drive fast. Let's say, you guys saw me throw tape in there, didn't you? I noticed when I came back, 3 of you left. You know, I only got 8 viewers. Roll this up. A little bit on the tight side. Leaving a little tail. Another little tail. There, now it only hits my knees. The cops, you know, if they ask me what's this little wire for, I can just tell them so I can hot wire it. Yeah. And in case any of you are wondering, did I figure this out on my own as far as the wires and stuff? Well, the wires, yes, but the way to start it, no. That was a previous owner showed me that whole trick, and I thought, you know what, let's fix that. And then I got home and I went, you know what, I ain't got time for that, so this is what we're doing. So yeah, I think this will work for me just fine. I just need to clean it one day. Nope, not doing that either. I'm going to take the garbage out. One day, not right now. I'll wait till it gets fuller. Alright. It's not the most hidden wire work, but it works. That's what we want it to do, work. So, yeah. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Follow, sort of thing, you know. Hit the notification button if you want. you like seeing stuff like this. If not, don't. You know, it's a free world. Well, free country, anyways. There's something else I was going to say. I totally forgot. Oh, yeah. Have a great week, guys. Thanks. Bye.